Hello ISP and welcome to Flowsoft. In this video, I'm going to be sharing more light on one of our features we have in Flowsoft. And what is this amazing features I'm talking about? It's called Inmap. Inmap is one of the features we have in Flowsoft, which is more effective and less stress for all ISPs. Now let's get you started. Of course, you need to sign in into the system before you can have the required information to access the back office. Now let's go. So after you having the right information, then you get access to the back office. Now let's proceed down to InMap. Okay, under InMap, we click on Fiber Dock. Okay, wow, this is amazing. All right, so we have a lot of call to action in this graphical interface of our InMap. All right, on the right hand side, we have the map and we have the satellite. Okay, so the map actually shows the street of every location around a region. Probably we use Lagos as a case study. So this shows the graphical, views of the areas we have around this location, right? And the next is the satellite. The satellite actually shows the pictures format of each street and buildings and of course infrastructure of some areas around that location. All right, having said that, we have on the left hand side we have the mode, we have the control. Under the mode we have the view, we have the draw, we have the edit. Of course, the view actually shows the prescription of the environment where you have your cables and so on. And second, we have the draw. Of course, the draw have to, it's actually emphasized on if you have a new location where you like to install your, you have to run your cables, then of course you need to use the tools, draw tools, right? This shows all the section where you have your cables, you have to draw the map, meeting one another. Then the third one is the edit. Of course, if you are moving your cables from one place to another, or you want to change your location where you have your wires and your cables, and you want to relocate to another destination around that region, of course, you need to use the edit tools right here, right? And then the next one we have here is the control. Of course, we have some features under control. We have the cable, we have the box, we have the OLT, we have the cables, and we have the poles and the enclosure. All right, so all of these tools is actually used to make a lot of charts around this region here. So having said that, on the right hand side, we also have the project. Of course, you have to specify all your projects in the exact location. Everything have to be imputed on this project. Like you see, we have a Keja project, Lekki projects, Egbeda, and a Jew project. So I'm going to be using this as a case study. So how do we go about this? I'm going to be showing you how this works. Okay, so let's take a case study of probably Ikeja, Nigeria, right? So and then we choose a project, Ikeja project, because every of your pops is actually a project, so you need to impute it regarding your location. So after that, we click on go. All right, so let's wait while this load. All right, amazing. All right, amazing. Okay, now so this is amazing. Of course, we already have the graphical views of the EMAP. So we actually seeing red, we actually seeing green indicators, we're seeing pink indicators. Yeah, so this is just a project around the Keja, and of course, we have some lines, pink lines around some street, around this location. So these are cables. We have the yellow, indicators drawn line the street, as you can see that, right? So we can also see some of the enclosure around that region. So all of this line indicates the cables around that location. And of course, the green indicators shows that the client is actually active, while the red indicator shows that they are offline. Well, in the two view on that red indicators, the client might actually be offline due to the fact that they are not active on their internet. So it's not always when it shows red, it shows that it's a cable called no. It might probably be the client is not online. So that is just the overview of how our system works. So I hope this actually convince you, and I hope this is going to be of use to your service. So, what do you feel about these amazing features in our system? Do let us know in the comment section. So, what's your take on this project? Feel free to drop it in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.